Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making 3 types of apple cider vinegar hair rinse. The first of which is a rosemary and thyme, which is great for hair growth and stimulating the scalp. First we're going to add our herbs to a jar, and then you're just going to cover it with apple cider vinegar. Up next, we have the lavender rinse. It helps to balance oil production and soothe your scalp. What you're going to do is add about a 1/4 cup of lavender buds to a jar and then cover with ACV. Our final rinse is the aloe vera rinse. Here I use fresh aloe vera, and you put it in a magic bullet to help break down, make it more liquid. And the aloe helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp while it also is conditioning your hair. You want to make sure the herbs have time to infuse into the apple cider vinegar, so you want to place in a cool, dark place like a pantry or a cabinet for 2 to 3 weeks. And then you strain the apple cider vinegar out of the herbs and add to a spray bottle, or if you prefer to pour directly over your hair, you can do that as well. Depending on your hair and scalp type, you may want to use more or less apple cider vinegar. I prefer to use half and half. You may, if you find that your hair is too oily, you would like to use more apple cider vinegar. If your scalp is dry, you want to use less apple cider vinegar and more water. After shampooing and rinsing your hair, you'll want to take your apple cider vinegar rinse and spray liberally your scalp, making sure to lift up sections of hair so that you're getting it directly on your scalp. I like to focus on the areas that are most dry. For me, it's behind my ears and the base of my neck. And you may choose to either use a spray bottle or you can pour it directly over your head. I like to use a spray bottle because I have more control over where the vinegar goes. And then you may choose to leave it in or rinse it out. There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.